Timmy? Is that really you? No, cops, I didn't do anything wrong. Oreo. Oh. Nothing's wrong. Cops? Nothing wrong. Let's just go in the house and go to the Christmas tree. Something's wrong. Yay! Look at all these presents. There's that one, and this one, and that one, and that one. Yeah. Nothing suspicious. Something is definitely wrong. Oh, you're that silly Oreo. Can I talk to you for a minute? Yeah. That's suspicious. So what did you want to talk about? Remember I woke up and said cops? Yes. I stole a diamond. But don't worry. I only got it for your girlfriend, not for you. That doesn't solve the problem. You stole what? Hold on. You stole the heart crystal? Yeah, it's for your girlfriend. Why did you steal it? I mean, Christmas was coming up and I was gone for, I don't know, probably 2.5 months. So I stole from the bank. I did escape because I'm so sneaky like a tiger. And yeah. Then I ended up here, showing you the crystal just for your girlfriend. If we end up in jail, you are the problem. Why? Enjoy. I'm gonna give it to her when we finish opening the presents. Okay. So we don't know what the present is which, so might as well just open up random presents. So then when we figure out. Yay. My present. This is obviously for you. It was for you too. Ooh, some treats. 2 treats. A bone. And some other stuff. Gum, gum, gum. Yay. Thanks, dude. Get that over. Unicorn horn. Some more. Oh, what kind of shirt is this? A unicorn pug, and it looks just like me, the kind of breed that I am. Yeah, you can match your mom because your mom wears a unicorn. That's true. I'm gonna try it on. It's big, but I'll grow into it. You look beautiful. Oh, thank you. Before you kiss, I need to show you one more last thing. No. What is it? Oh, let me just get it. How about not? Have we already seen it? No. Then what's the big deal? Let's go see it. How can I lie? I did. I'm gonna go get it. Tammy, no. No, I didn't hear you. Boop, 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 boop. But ah. Is this the diamond heart? Yep, I stole it right from the. He stole it from a homeless person. Yeah, it's fake. Hey Timmy, how about you go back into your room? Bye. I didn't finish what I'm saying. Go back to your room. Fine, bossy. Don't know what that was about. I'm packing stuff. Timmy, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? You bossing me around and telling me to go in my room? I'm not going to jail. You're just a kid who stole something, and I'm a teen who's probably almost the oldest here. Yeah, so you're not my boss. My big brother's the boss. You're just a puny little dog. Stop, get off of me. You're not the boss of me. Who is older than you? My big brother. Who is older than you, just standing in this room? Pluto. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna just return this. No! What is wrong with you? We're taking this and giving it to your girlfriend. No, we're returning it. Giving. Turning. Giving! Okay, I'll give it to her. Or am I? Give that back! We have to return it. No. No means no, and no is no. Now give me the crystal so then I can give it to your girlfriend. I will never do that in a million years. Oh no, the cops. Run. Put your hands in the air. Well, we're screwed. Ah! I'm too young to go to jail. Okay, we need to hide this. Hide this in your butt or something. Wait. We just hide it in the tree. Why are you running so fast? The cops are after us. What? How could you, Oreo? How am I dating a thief? We're breaking up. No, Teddy. To be continued.